Community is all about connected learning. It's about bringing professionals from our community who have some of the coolest jobs into our classrooms, into our schools, into our communities to inspire more young people to go into careers in STEM, which, let's face it, are the most prosperous jobs. Our young people deserve opportunities to thrive and have careers doing jobs that we don't even know exist yet. And that's why we formed Community.
It's really great to be here in Parliament today, not only as the Member of Parliament for Portsmouth North, but also as a trustee of Community, a fantastic charity that not only is innovative and showing young people how exciting and innovative these subjects are, but also showing kids that there can be great jobs and great careers in this area.
Spark is a fantastic resource that has been developed by Community, and the principle behind it is that it's 5 simple pieces of equipment with 5 experiments. Students can access these experiments either at home or in the classroom. They can use every single part of the box, and it allows students to be able to develop their STEM skills, gives them an insight into STEM careers, and also allows them to be able to have those crucial conversations with parents, family and friends at home about the importance of STEM.
Experiencing STEM ways of thinking is super important. It's not just about learning about science, it's about getting skills that you would need in other careers. It kind of ignited my passion for science, and now I'm a PhD student at Southampton. I work in plant microbiology, and I would have never in a million years thought I would ever get this far in my science career. I always loved science, but I never saw it as like a future for myself, more just like of a hobby. But like, I love what I do now, so I'm really glad that she gave me that opportunity.
We are passionate about encouraging diversity in STEM and allowing underrepresented groups to be able to access some of the most sought after and highly paid jobs in the UK.